Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Hi, this is Matt with API. So why would someone choose Easy Spa over all the other products that are available for spas? Well, the thing is that they probably use those other products and they realize that there's a lot to them. You know, if you're having to worry about a 400-gallon spa and putting in 7 or 8 different products and when you put them in and all the other stuff, and then the end result is you go out with your honey, you open up the cover and the thing smells or it's full of foam, or you get out and you smell like bromine or chlorine. No one wants that. And that's the thing about Easy Spa. It makes spa ownership easy. I mean, that's how we came up with the name. It's Easy Spa. By virtually using 2 bottles each week, and just a couple capfuls of each one depending on the size of your spa, you can have spa water that is stain-free, scale-free, algae-free, balanced, clear, foam-free, smell-free, and oxidized. Because that's what Easy Spa does. It takes the place of all the ancillary chemicals that you would normally have to put in to keep that water nice and inviting. It takes the place of all that. So all you're really using is a little bit of dichlor and then a little bit of Total Care, which is the Easy Spa main product. So using it as a primary water care program is awesome because you never have the surprise of foam or smell. You don't ever get surprised or embarrassed by having water that looks nasty or smells nasty. You don't have to worry about the water being unbalanced or causing issues with your equipment. You know, that spa costs a lot of money, and you want something that's going to make that water sparkle like diamonds, feel silky and soft and beautiful to the skin with no residue, and that is as inviting as possible. That's what a spa is. That's what it's all about. You know, yeah, you can go in there for water therapy, which is what a lot of people do, but a good soak is so beneficial. And just imagine that good soak having making it even better by having oxygen-rich, beautiful, high-quality, wonderful water that you just don't want to get out of. That's what Easy Spa provides. It's a great water care program. It's easy, it's not confusing, and it just makes life so much easier for spa owners. They won't believe it. That's why we have 95% satisfaction with consumers on spas.
API, simple products, amazing results.
Thanks for watching.